Hi everyone, this is David Foss with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where I'm standing aboard a brand new trade that we just took in. This is a model year 2021 Scout 215 Dorado. It's in the very popular light blue color, aesthetically very pleasing and in very good condition. Why don't you jump on aboard and I'll show you the features inside. We're inside our 2021 Scout 215 Dorado trade. We're going to do a quick walkthrough on the features. You can see that the boat is in exceptional condition. Recent model year trade. This is a Mercury 150 horsepower engine on this boat. It has 520 hours on the engine. And all of our trades at MarineMax are put through a rigorous trade inspection process. So we make sure that the boats going back out onto the market are in pristine condition and working order. So getting into the options here, you can see that this is equipped with the Bimini sunshade. So this would deploy open and give you lots of shade here in the cockpit. There's two very attractive captain's chairs at either port and starboard with flip-up bolsters, or if you're standing or just want a little extra boost in your height. This boat does have the fold-away bench in the transom. So when you do have some extra guests on board, you have this transom fold-out seat. And for those days when you don't need it, you can just fold it up and get it out of the way. Nice and clean and easy. Also in the back of the boat, there's lots of cup holders, rod holders. This is a live well in the transom. Then at the helm, this is equipped with a Garmin. This is going to be your multi-function device. It's going to give you charts, navigation, depth, all included. This all has a Fusion Bluetooth stereo. You can link that to your cell phone. All your rocker switches are right here. And there's a lockable glove box for your registrations, etc. On the companion side, little catch-all space here, cup holder space for your cell phone. There's two USB charging ports here. And in the console, there is a porta potty. It can be used for storage and a little bathroom. Underneath the helm seat, this is lockable storage. This is also where your battery switches are. More storage space. And then I'll move out of the way so you can look at the bow seating. Nice deep bow seating, very comfortable. Extra speakers, rod holders, and cup holders. There's also an anchor locker there as well. Again, my name is David Foss. I'm with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where we have this recent trade Scout 215 Dorado. This boat is also sitting on a trailer that is part of this package. If you're interested in getting more information about this boat, look us up on the internet, MarineMax Wakefield, Rhode Island. Call us, schedule an appointment. We'd love to see you. Thank you.